When and why should you consider having inspections done prior to listing your home on the market? Hi, I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want to have any unexpected costs to come up that you are not aware of. I've seen termite inspection repair costs well over $50,000. Imagine getting a termite bill for $50,000, and the only way the buyer will buy the home is if it's fixed or paid for. But you have already purchased another home and you need that $50,000 to qualify for your next home. This could create a huge problem. How about this? Let's say you found out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or the AC unit needs to be replaced. You could do a few things. Sell the home in as-is condition and disclose the issues, not sell at all, or take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior is so that there are no unexpected surprises that can financially come back and hurt you. And I want the sellers to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections that I recommend are the standard and customary inspections that a buyer would do. I recommend a home inspection, roof inspection, and termite inspection. In most cases, you have the option to pay for these upfront or when escrow closes. In regards to the home and termite inspections, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure all the health and safety items are fixed, as well as Section 1 termite work, which includes dry rot, leaks, and of course termites, as these are very common concerns that buyers have. It helps a seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net what it is that they thought when going into escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable repairs. It also cuts down on inspection times. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny out of the sale and to secure and close on their new purchase. Also, the buyer is more confident that they're buying a home that's move-in ready condition. And if there's bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety as well as Section 1 termite work to be completed prior to the close of escrow. So with that already being completed, there is further assurance that the loan will go through. To wrap it up, pre-sale inspections give seller, buyer, and certain lender more confidence throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close. It keeps everyone safe during and after the escrow. I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. Keep it simple, keep it real.